Hello! In this video, we're going to explore the penetration ability of gamma radiations. The gamma rays are highly penetrating and have unlimited range in air due to their zero charge and very fast speed. We will perform an experiment in order to investigate their penetration ability. We will use a Geiger-Miller tube that measures the received counts per minute from the radiation source, and we need a gamma source. When the gamma source is at 20 cm separation distance from the Geiger counter, it registers an activity of 1600 becquerel. If a thick aluminum foil is inserted between the gamma source and the Geiger counter, the registered activity decreases to 1400 becquerel, meaning that the thick aluminum foil has a little effect on the activity of the gamma radiation. However, if a block of lead is used instead of the aluminum foil, knowing that the lead is denser than aluminum, the registered activity reduces further to 1130 becquerel. Therefore, we conclude that the gamma rays are significantly absorbed by lead. That's all. Thanks for watching.